So fun fact about me, I actually gave up traditional bread 10 years ago when I found out that I was allergic to gluten, and yes, it was very hard. But you know what? Over the years, I have found and developed some delicious bread alternatives, and I'm gonna be sharing one of those with you in today's video. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Kayla and welcome. So in today's video, I'm gonna be sharing my favorite keto bread recipe. Now, in all honesty, I did not develop this recipe. In fact, I've been using it for a couple of years now, and I honestly cannot find the original creator of this recipe. It's on all sorts of different keto websites. So if you're the original creator of this recipe, be sure to comment below my video because I love giving people credit. Anyway, it has been my favorite keto bread recipe for a while now, and I love it because it doesn't use any sort of dairy products like cream cheese. Now, I want to mention that in today's video, I'm going to be using the bread for more like a side item. If you're going to be using it for sandwiches, go ahead and double this recipe, and that way your slices will be a lot larger. All right, let's jump right in and get started. To start, I'm just going to separate the egg whites from the egg yolks. I'm going to be using 6 organic eggs. Now, try your best not to get any of the yolks into the egg whites. If you get a little bit in there, it's not a big deal. But anyway, the fastest way to do this is just to crack the egg and transfer the yolk back and forth into each shell, and most of the egg whites will fall out. Now I'm going to add some cream of tartar. And using an electric hand mixer, I'm just going to whisk the egg whites until they form a foam-like texture. It should look something like this. Go ahead and set the egg whites aside, and in a food processor, I'm going to add the egg yolks, about 1/3 of the egg white mixture, some grass-fed ghee, baking powder, a pinch of sea salt, and some almond flour. Now I'm just going to process this until it's fully combined. Once it's combined, go ahead and add the rest of the egg white mixture. And now I'm just going to pulse it a few times until the egg whites are incorporated into the mixture. But you want to make sure you don't pulse it too many times because you don't want to over blend it. And now I'm going to grease a loaf pan with some avocado oil and just pour the mixture into the pan. We're going to bake the bread at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes or until it's fully cooked through. Now you want to make sure to let it cool completely before serving, but yes, I love this bread because it's flexible, it doesn't fall apart, you can toast it, it's so versatile, and it's really just a great recipe to have on hand whenever you're craving bread but you don't want to eat the real thing. Well, that is it for today's video, my favorite keto bread recipe. I really hope y'all give this one a try because this bread is just so versatile. You know, I like to use it as a side item for sandwiches. I even like to throw some coconut oil in a skillet and sort of toast it up if I'm craving some toast in the morning. Ugh, so good. Anyway, if you do give it a try, don't forget to tag me on Instagram and comment below this video just to let me know how you like it. All right, well, if you're new and you haven't subscribed and you enjoy this sort of content, be sure to subscribe below. Don't forget to hit the little bell icon to be notified every time I post a new video. And that's it for today. I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.